Hello everybody, I will show in this video how to fix Xbox 360 with the error E74. So like, I go turn on my Xbox, should give me red light, and when I'm gonna appear in the screen it's something like this, system error E74. So what I'm gonna do now, it's teach you the best way how to fix this problem. Turn off your Xbox. You have a silver fan in here and you have a gold fan, silver as well but bigger. So what you're gonna need to do is work just a small one. You have a crushes in the back of the small one like this, like I'm showing here. You need to remove, and then what you're gonna need to do, it's very easy. Like, you need to remove this thing. Turn on your Xbox now with this out, like I'm doing now. Should give you two red lights. So you turn off again your Xbox. Take a while, just keep trying because it's overheating. Keep trying to turn off till you turn off. In case you don't turn off, just take the cable supply over there and plug out, plug back in. Okay, what I'm gonna do now, it's take again this part, put in the place, just give them a little bit pressure down. So now you turn back your Xbox, and voila, Xbox 360 fixed with the error E74. Pretty easy, just what you need to do, that's what I did it, and voila, and just turn off like you see, and you turn back on. And voila, Xbox 360 fix. Like I said, the problem, it's just this one. Once you open and you put correctly the way it have to be, should be perfect. Okay, voila, it's, you just remove this one, you take them up. I will show in here. You put them up. So first, if it is the first time you are doing your Xbox, you need to clean this. Okay, you need to buy this liquid. Just buy, go to a computer, whatever, and you clean with this, with a Casa Team Cleaner, and you buy as well to put that in the CPU, to put in the CPU just a little bit of Formula 5, Antec Formula 5, you see, it's like an injection to put on the CPU. So then the light is red, you just go, you put this, you check if the position is good, turn on, and should be okay. That's the way I do. There we go. It's just, like I was saying before, it's just this one. Don't mess around with this big one, it's just a small one. Okay, and that's it. A lot of people was telling it's the ANA processor, the cable, the ANA processor, it's this processor over here. yeah, is overheating sometimes. So if you get bad image, you take a few cents, like, let me see, in 1 coin cent you take about 7, you do it like this, you see, and you put on top of this just to make pressure. But I don't use, like, because if you get again the same problem, I just open and take out this and close back. But hopefully